Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have 2 Happy Meals. I'm only going to open one. Actually, I have another one also, but I'm going to give this their own day. However, I wanted to tell you what happened one day a couple weeks ago, or about a week ago. It's not that uncommon for me. I was working on something and thought of Terry at Tapping Flamingo, and I thought, oh, I should make her one of these. And I had just packed some fabric to send to Alexandra, and I'll be doggone, Terry contacted me within 2 hours and said, I have something for you. And we got this in the mail from Alexandra, all on the same day. Terry, I love that this says recycled organic packaging because we care. We care very much. Oh, I didn't get all the address off. Let me turn this sideways so as not to give any, I have this backwards. My son sent me these cool scissors that have this little beak to open, and I haven't learned to use them yet because, well, I'm old. Here we go. Just cut the whole box, huh? All right. This is from Terry. Yeah, Terry at Tapping Flamingo. She is also Be Creative. She has the channel Be Creative. She does beadwork, and she has Blythe dolls, and she has a very, very fun channel. I met her first with her sister Tammy. I kind of met them both, started watching them both at the same time. Oh, look at this. Star necklace. Oh, I really like that. I love the turquoise. Thank you very much. There is her card. Terry Jeanette, Tapping Flamingo Bling, aka the Bohemian Hippie. Love that. Let's see what's in here. This is exciting. Oh, wow. That is gorgeous. Oh, you know what? That's for a Blythe doll. Oh, Terry, that's really cool. And I have just the Blythe doll to put that on. She makes these little pulls. They can be a zipper pull or hang them on your purse. But what we doll people like to do is put a little knot in our Blythe doll string and then hang that on there. And then you can change these with the outfit or the season, you know, for holidays and stuff. That is absolutely gorgeous, and it has a dragonfly. We had a goat named Dragonfly, and that's another story. And there's more. Oh, there's a lot more. Wow. Thank you, Terry. Isn't this, oh, this is so me. So me. And another tassel. Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah, this is me. And my Kinner Blythe would love to have something made out of that. Oh, thank you so much, Terry. Go by and see Terry's channel today. She and I did a collab where we opened gifts from one another. And you can see what I was working on that day when I thought of Terry, and then she contacted me. Let me get my Blythe. I just got this Blythe, oh, what, a week or so ago, and Deron made this. I love this stand. Let me pull her out. I named her Winter Rainbow because it's a soft pastel rainbow, and if you've ever seen a rainbow in the winter, that's what they're like. They're very hard to see. You have to find the pot of gold first and then the rainbow in the winter. Deron made this lovely winter-esque stand for her, Winter Rainbow. So she doesn't have an outfit yet because I have a stinking suspicion. No, I shouldn't say stinking. I don't mean that in a, ooh, it stinks way, in a cool way, that there is something for her to wear in this from Alexandra, and she's waiting for that video, which will be coming up. What Terry does is ties a knot in the, I'll see if I can do it with my bare paw fingers. I'll tell you, it's getting worse. When you get older, you lose the dexterity in your fingers, and I have hit that. I've also had a couple strokes, so All right, that has made a big difference. Then you take these adorable, I love that dragonfly. I love the colors. Take this and buy the little claw catch. There. It hangs down like regular beads, but it can be changed or taken out easily. Isn't that gorgeous? And look with her hair. Oh, thank you so much. And it's really going to be cute. You know what? I should make her an outfit out of this to go all together. I get it now, Terry. I see it. It took me a minute, but I see it. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas. Go by Terry's channel. I have a link in the title and see what I sent her. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. I really do appreciate each and every one of you and your views. Please leave a like, a comment, and if you haven't already, or check it and make sure it hasn't come undone, please subscribe.